What's up guys, it is Alex from D1 Store here. We have just received the all new DJI Mini 5 Pro. It's been over 2 years since the Mini 4 Pro came out, so I'm really excited. Take a look at this, see what's changed. All right, so let's crack this open and take a look. There she is, the Mini 5 Pro. First thing I'm noticing, it is dark gray. Very different to the Mini 4 Pro. It's quite beautiful, really. And the gimbal cover, very similar to the Mavic 4 Pro with the little bungee cord. Let's get that open. Oh, wow. Okay. If you can see there, along the side of the camera, it says 1 inch. So I'm assuming that is a 1 inch sensor on the new Mini. A big upgrade on the, getting a bit choked up here. A big upgrade on the Mini 4 Pro. And if I am correct, these look like LiDAR sensors.
That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. So that'd be a big improvement on the sensing system if we've got LiDAR on here. And a very interesting looking gimbal. So going to be cool to see that in action. I'm also noticing on the props here, we have quick release propellers. So that's a cool little addition.
No need to unscrew the propellers anymore.
No, that stuff's annoying. Looks very beautiful. Yeah, nice.
What's in the bag, Alex?
Oh, what's in my bag? Thank you for asking. In my bag, we've got batteries, more batteries. You got any charge on them? One of them's fully charged, so I'm gonna fly this thing. What else is in the bag? DJI RC2. Nice. Oh, and some accessories. We've got just a few spare quick release propellers there. Charging cable. Everyone's favorite sticker. Everyone's least favorite instructions. I think that's it.
Awesome.
And an ND filter set that's not in the bag. So that's not in my bag. Can I fly it now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Let's turn it on.
Oh, yeah, it turns on by itself.
Oh,
So
yeah, that's right, yeah.
I don't need to turn it on because it turned itself on. I'm gonna quickly change this battery over because this one's fully charged by the looks of it. So now I can turn it on. Oh, no, it turns itself on and does a little dance for you. So that's cool. Let's get this RC hooked up. Take this bad boy for a spin. Is it activated?
It's brand new.
Bear with me 1 moment then. This brand new drone is not activated yet. Look at that. Oh, wow. Bit like that. And it's activated. Oh, that's scary. No, I don't want to do that. No. Okay, that's silly. Let's take it over here and get it in the air. That was dramatic. Oh, the Mini 5 Pro is really going to love this D1 Labs landing pad. Like any drone, really. Let's go. Go onto the grass. You just wait there. I'm gonna get you a little seat. Oh, look at that. Look how easy that is. Now I have my safe landing space. The world's first Mini 5 Pro on a D1 Labs landing pad. All right. Oh, this is exciting stuff.
Take off.
It's time to take off. Brand new drone. All right. It's a very windy day today, so it's going to be interesting to see how it... Okay, yeah. Well, I'm gonna, whoa. It's there. Whoa, it's there. Okay, it's really fun. Can I put it in sport mode? Yeah. Yay! It's dangerous. It's a brand new drone, sport mode. LiDAR sensing, no thanks, no sensing. Oh, that was cool. It's handling the wind very well, actually, which is nice to see. Woo! It's really fun. I don't want to hit you, oh God. Okay, oh shit. Wow. All right. Yeah, I've just taken it out of sport mode because I decided that was a little bit too scary for a brand new drone. All right. Yeah. Very windy. What is it? Oh, rotate. That's kind of cool. Oh shit, it's going for us. Oh, we can get a selfie together. All right, I'm gonna try a droney here, see what it's like. There we go. Look at it go. It's beautiful. And look at that shot. That's a really nice shot. That's us.
Yep.
Now come back, come home. Whoa, nice. What about return to home? Try that. I don't want to scare someone. Like a little roller coaster. It's been upgraded. Oh, I don't want the lady over there. I want to creep her out. Going return to home. And see how accurate this is. It's on its way, it's turned around. It's mapped out its path. Look, I'm not even doing it. There. For how windy it is today, that is pretty good. If you can see my hair going everywhere, it's very windy. So it's pretty accurate for this wind. That's impressive. Take off. So that was our first impression of the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. I'm really keen to learn a bit more about it, have another play with it, see what it's all about. They've just landed. They're available now at all of our stores, or you can get them online. There'll be a link in the description. A secret between me and you viewers, we have the best price on the Mini 5 Pro at launch in Australia. No one's gonna come close to what we can do for you. So check it out. They're really fun. They're really cool. You can already tell that it's a massive upgrade on the Mini 4 Pro. But yeah, stay tuned for more info on that. We'll make a few more videos, get more in depth with a few features and things. But until then, see ya.